that, Gab?
Mama.
What's that?
Corn.
What?
Corn.
Corn? Where did you get that?
Market.
Mm.
Yan ako.
Mm.
Ako kang manok.
What are you doing?
Oh. Ako may water plant na big.
Water the plants?
Oh, big.
Mm. Good job.
Ay, lagi ga.
No more water mo na lang, oy.
Bigger. So big. And ayaw.
Mama is cutting the grass, and that grass is so tall, and she will make it into a roof of the goat. Same as the coconut leaves. Ito like that's the grass she's cutting. Yes.
Plant.
Ga, ayaw, lagi na ga.
Gabriel, that's enough.
Ako may wapa man. Wapa man. Ini. Wapa man. Diri.
Here's the eggplant, the chili, the beans. There's a lot of corn.
Walang ba?
Pero karon panibangon on sa taon. Ikaw nagputol ay noy? Ikuan ng Likit Morris. Di ba noy?
Katong hunsoy. Turok sa to. Katong kuha ko, nanamatay sa uranan. Yan na sa igsuyop na. Ay, kapait ang paminaw ba?
Wow, oy.
Saging man to.
Yeah.
Tangali.
Kanang tos-tos. Sagig na.
Tangali na siya, tangali.
Ano dyan, nana ba niya? Ang katong tabako dirito. Asam din mo larga.
Di na ba siguro kaantos nanay dancing ni mo? Ha? Di guro kaanto kay nanay gibatis lawas.
Hi guys! For today's video, we're gonna get a cassava in my mom's garden. You know, this is the kubo. I'm sorry if it's shaky because of the selfie stick. Woo! Woo! The water spinach have a water right now because it's been raining. Yesterday, it's been raining and that's why there's a water. Stay tuned and keep watching. I love you all. We're gonna use we call it bolo. What do you call this one in English? Good, I don't know. What is the English of this? There's the goat. This is the cassava. You're gonna pull that one so that you can get the unod. It's still small. We're gonna find another one because this is too small, and also I don't know if this is mama's cassava. Maybe this is the aunt's cassava.
Loplo is trying to pull the cassava.
Ay, gas, picture ko.
Loplo is trying to pull out because I don't have slipper because my slipper is broken. Key, try your best. Count 1 to 3. Then pull.
1, 2, 3.
She cannot pull out
We cannot
the
pull this
cassava.
one. We cannot really pull this one because it's been raining. It's wet. It's easy to pull if it's not wet in the mud. Oh,
Tangtang na rin mga kuan ron. Bunga ron. Tangtang lagi. Do ka buhok.
ambing ko ande. Ambi ako. Mud. Look. We're gonna transfer to another place or another plant of cassava. So itchy. I help guys, I help. You always say na always Jan. Ah!
Alagyan ha, ah?
Di man good siya. I cannot. It's so hard.
Nung
He replaced me because I cannot get the big one. I think this one is so big. Even if it's so big, you can easily get that one or pull that one if it's not wet. But now it's so wet. Because yesterday we're planning to get like this one, but So like, it's a basic day. Oh my god.
Patugkabaw eh.
He said, get the Carabao. Get the Carabao.
Pili. Sundang eh.
Wait. Here we're gonna use this one. The bolo or it's something like a sundog.
Yeah.
Ito. It's a big one, but it's still gone. Napaywa na kuho. No, mamay.
Tapos Tarzan.
This is for sale, guys. The cassava. If you wanna buy per kilo, I think per kilo is 40 pesos. In the Anbantayan, I don't know, here in the village, I think just 30 or 25 per kilo, like that. If you wanna buy, just DM me or PM me. Ah, charot. I'm gonna show you how to cook this one. Maybe you're familiar or maybe you're not familiar. I'll just share. We're gonna cook 2 recipe of this one. Look at my face. It's so sweat. I'm still beautiful, right? This is the life of a farmer. But I think my mom is a farmer, not me. I'm just the one who always get the vegetables, the fruits, or anything here. Or somewhat like a stealer. Ah, vlogger na this! Ano siya? Dako daw kuno ka na daw. Asa ni sa tirakil? Kapoy titiri oy. Kapoy. Asa yung garden natin? Ibutang siya dito.
Hmm?
Nato ni kuwagi nga ni sabi?
Sundang oh.
Ay, sakit.
Alagyan na ha.
Di man makuhan mo siya.
Ergo ha.
Ibutang na ito, be.
Please, nag naman yung mahilang eh. Naguba na yan ako guys.
I'm so ugly na. Money? We're gonna find more here because maybe there's something more here. There's left. I find one. Oh my God, it's so big. It's a big one. We like big, not small.
Just like mine. It's big.
Kakuha ni Wai! Ilong!
See the face though? Looking for a big one. Guys, you know na ha, I'm speaking English because I'm
Because he drink Red Horse.
drinking Red Horse. Half a case.
He don't have money, but he drink a Red Horse because he. Lagi tawag na. Tama.
Gagmay mag-unod.
It's small win. Sponsor sleeper, guys. He can't walk easily because there's a lot of spike here, and his slipper. Uy, cute. Look at my face.
Sige ko ba manahan.
Janjan is mad na, guys, because he don't have slipper. When we go here and here in the garden of Auntie Raquel, his slipper was when broken. Oh. Look at that face. Picture it. Kulira kay ka. This is the small river. Cute. Still cute without sleep. The selfie stick or so like it's like a tripod. It's so shaky because of the vault. Done. I need to wash my hands. This is the life of a farmer. I think I cannot actually say I'm a farmer because I'm not the one who plant this one. Maybe, not maybe. The farmer is my parents. They're the farmer. Salute to all the farmers. And this place before, this one is surrounded by sugarcane area, but the owner of the land, they didn't pay the taxes or the buhis every year. That's why the agrarian, we call it agrarian here, they get so many hectares of land here, and they give it to people who live it here, or not just leave it here. Maybe, not maybe. Some old people, they fill up a form that they gonna have this one, and the father of my mother fill up a form, then, but it's already dead. That's why mama and her siblings own now this one, the land. I think this one, the hectares is per hectare per head, it's 2 hectares or 1.5 hectares per head of who fill up that form. Thank you for who don't pay the taxes. It's so itchy. Thank you for all the subscribers and all the hope there's a lot of subscription soon, and thank you for all the the comments. Maybe next day we're gonna do a live stream. Gonna ask a questions, and we're gonna answer it. Sana all charot. I am here now near in the pig fin. No one in this village who don't have a no, I'd say lots of people here, they have a land. That's why farmers. In the place of Jan, they don't have a land because it's something like a lungsod or a town here. It's a village, or it's a countryside. When you see this before, it's surrounded by sugarcane. Here, all you can see is coconut, corn, some vegetables, some fruits, banana, and also a pig fin, and also cassava. We didn't bring Gab or Opaw because he was sleeping, and now he's coming here. He's with his tatay Inting because he already woke up.
Oh!
I'm sweating because we get a lot of cassava.
Tubig lagi dun eh.
In my channel, you're gonna you will just saw my daily life, my routine, or farm, village, and beaches, and some foods, cooking. We're not the owner, but we harvest. As long as you ask permission, that's okay. carrying it because it's so heavy. Heavy. I hope you watch the channel of Madeline, Village Girl Maddie, and Village Girl Pia, and I hope keep watching on Overstay Road and also mine, Village Girl Flo. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Here's Opaw. Say hi, we. Say hi. Say hi ba? Say hi. Say hi. He pretended he's doing a video and a picture.
Ma! Ma! Madara ka. Madara ka.
Yes. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi everyone, welcome sana.
Say ba again.
Hi everyone, galaw. Ngam ka.
There's a lot of mud he get it from his slipper. Dirty kay mong head. Your head is so dirty.
Your head is dirty. No, ligo ato da.
He said that you take a bath because you're dirty.
Da, ligo ato ugaw ka.
Igulit na lang kayo magdugin.
Mama, aba. Asa da. Ay ay.
Ibutang hatag ng daday, hatag ng daday. Dili magkuha na ng tubig, nito ka
Da. Wa anak ke.
This is not dirty because this is a fresh water. Well, wash again. You need the proper hygiene. No, dirt. No,
Gabriel.
no, lagi. It's good for the baby man. Go to the tatay. We walk like this before when we were in high school. We walked as far as this, and it's so mud. That's where we walk. Until it's somewhat like a mountain, but when you go there, it's not a mountain. It's just an. You cannot really hear me sometimes, guys, because I'm not using a microphone because no budget. Keep watching, guys. Thank you for all the comments, the like. Maybe someday we're gonna have a lot of fun. We have a budget, but someday, not now. Not tomorrow, maybe soon.